lawnmower steel, she bites just right. Log pile taller than my ego after Friday night. Time to make some confetti, baby, let's start the fight. Slinging wood chips, chips fly high. Fixed blade singing that sweet goodbye.
Singing chips.
Pop, pop, crack. And hear that timber cry.
Yeah. With a lawnmower blade.
Swing it,
That's awesome.
Apocalypse Force.
Wood chip blizzard in the wintertime, oh my.
That was,
Oak and hickory, they think they're tough as nails.
oh shit, this thing's bad.
But this
Yeah.
convex grind don't ever fail. One hand overhead, two-hand railroad mail.
Yeah.
Every swing's a sermon, preach and prevail. Slinging wood chips, chips in my beer. Sweat so flannel, Cali stress revere. Pop, pop, crack, that's the sound I steer. Building mountains out of splinters right here. Sling it, let the good chips fall. Fixed blade gospel answering nature's call. Some folks want a hydraulic splitter, shiny and new. Push a button, watch them make it, yeah, that's cool too. But me, I like the feedback, the vibration, the bruise. Every chip I launch is signed with my own damn Sun goes down, piles finally low. Blade still hungry, but my shoulders say whoa. Tomorrow she'll be waiting, razor sharp and slow, ready for round 2 in the wood chip rodeo. Slitting wood chips, chips fly free. Fixed blade life is the life for me. Pop, pop, crack,
Two all the way
pure
down.
therapy. From the butt to the blade, that's where I wanna be.
How easy this was.
Swing it, let the forest bleed. Wood chip king on a fixed blade creed. Yeah, one more swing for the road. Grab that handle, find your rhythm, and let the chips rain.
There we go. There we go. We got it.
No problem.
Man, I broke his fucking cold steel Bushman. I broke his fucking lawnmower blade.
Let's see about this. I can't tell if there's any worse.
It might be a little twisted, but it looks kind of straight.
Dude, it's a damn mower blade. How